guys, what's up? Lenny with Lenny Martin Painting. Painting inside these days because it's cold and wet and rainy. And the question comes in, should you ever paint outside on a day like this? And the answer is, heck no. What are you thinking? No, don't even try, because the paint is not going to dry. Even if you're undercover, the air is saturated 100% with water. You just shouldn't do it. I guess if you just had to get something on there to get out of the way, give it a shot. But I would not recommend it.